Hey guys, what's going on? I know it's been a hot minute. Last year was pretty crazy, hence why I haven't uploaded in so long. There were some other issues too down here in the car park. I'll get to that in a little bit. But I wanted to show you a new toy I got, a new daily. Like all good daily drives, I got a couple of goodies for it. So tonight, I'm gonna try and muck around with a new set of rims. I've got some backup here. Dave's here helping out. See how we go. Gonna try fit these BBSs. Get rid of the stockers. They're yeah, I'm in need of some new tires, that's for sure. Actually, where's the light? Yeah, as you can see, I definitely need to replace these tires. So, keen to see how they fit. Look at this. Nice and shiny still. But look at it, come on, you gotta appreciate that. It hasn't been used. I'll tell you what, the handbrake on this car is immaculate. It's so good. Take the handbrake off. Bad idea. An idiot, I didn't chop the wheels. Just remember kids, always chop your wheels. What's it called? Yeah, so got the rears fitted, but in front of my brake line there you can see where it's touching. And all it's touching is like the rear axle runner. Can you see through there? Oh yeah, alright, there you go. So just in there is our problem. So I'm gonna rip the wheel off and massage it. That's the technical term. I'm gonna do some surgery.
We're surgeons for this evening.
Dave has come down with the grinder. Managed to get the rears fitted now, and I must say it's looking, yeah, not heaps better. Oh yeah, heaps better. It's looking better. It's heap. So Dave reckons BBSs are no good, and I should have got these. Mate, it has been like a minute at least. This thing's still going. I'm almost tempted to time lapse this. Am I just severely fatigued that I'm finding this so interesting? I'm losing my mind. Alright, so last year, basically the reason why I didn't upload shit. Can't swear in YouTube. So last year, the reason why I didn't do much work on the car was, as you can see, I had some chronic cracking in the car park above me. Sorry, in the roof above me, and all the concrete and crap was leaking out onto the cars. So I basically had the 180 covered in tarp, protecting that as best I could, and I picked up the new daily. It then started leaking where the daily parked, so then I had to move that. So long story short, I just never got around to doing much work on it because I had nowhere to work on the car. Anyway, I digress. Bit of a difference?
Nice.
Sick. Sausage down the hallway.
Yours mate.
Oh, how good is that? Mate, looks like Daihatsu knew what they were doing. This lip's basically rolled from factory. So, fronts fit surprisingly well. Good clearance in between the strut.
Castrays.
Nah, Castrays. Both sides done, let's go for a wrap. Actually, but anyway, I've got heaps more stuff for this car because it is a daily, so it can't stay stock, you know. So hang around, I'll and you'll see what's in store for the little die here. Still going.
The brick with the front bit cut off.
I don't know, it's kind of growing on me actually. Anyway guys, let me know in the comments below what you reckon. Seriously, tell me, what do you think? Seriously.